Now, I do want to talk about the ECP machine. I did it earlier this year. First was a blessing meeting Dr. Gandhi many months ago. She introduced that to me. And since then, I did the 35 sessions with her. And for years, I had trouble getting my heart rate up to 125, last couple of years anyways, which is trying to hit my VO2 max. Because VO2 max increases heart variability, which is an anti-aging marker. The problem is if you can't exercise, you can't get that heart rate exercise motions to increase the heart rate. That's why the machine is so very valuable to us. So now I'm able to get my heart rate back up to 135 or 140 on a consistent basis. So that means my heart is getting stronger. I used to have restless leg syndrome, mostly my right leg, and now it's almost pretty much totally gone. Some of my heart markers, ApoB, LDL-C, and LDL particle number all decreased from this treatment, which is also all very good for me. And also helped my brain. I do play a lot of brain games, which we'll talk about later, and help me focus more and get more attention to my ability to think and present my ideas to other people. Those are the things that her machine has done for me. It allows me to train harder. I did 2 competitions already this year, the Scottish Highland Games and CrossFit. I have a triathlon coming up and then that paddleboard race after that. So what we do here is we want you to be mesmerized with life. She's giving you the new engine. So we want to give you the physical being to go with that engine. We're going to do the physical therapy, so take care of your shoulders, your knees, your low back. Now that you can have a new engine from her ECP machine, we're going to make your joints work, help your joints work better. We'll also test your hormones. Your hormones will be more enhanced. Because with this new blood, your body's able to do more things. We want to make sure the inside is also working as well. We have nutritionists out there. We're going to work with nutritionists to get your nutrition under control, which again will feed your body now that you have, again, more blood supply so you can reach your goals and dreams that you've had in the past and stay mesmerized for the next 20 or 30 years.